I bought and tested these machines so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Cleaning tile floors and grout can be a daunting task, and finding the right tools is essential. I've sifted through countless products, and today I'm sharing my experiences with the top 5 machines that promise to make your life easier.
Product number 1. Shark Steam and Scrub Steam Mop. When I first got my hands on the Shark Steam and Scrub Steam Mop, I was eager to see if it lived up to the hype. The first thing I noticed was how lightweight and portable it is. Weighing in at just over 5 pounds, it's easy to maneuver around my spacious living room and those awkward corners in the kitchen. The mop features a sleek design, but the real magic happens when you power it on. With 3 different steam modes, light, normal, and deep, you can easily tackle everything from quick spills to stubborn stains. I was particularly impressed by the powerful LED headlights that illuminated hidden debris I never even noticed before. The combination of powerful steam and rotating pads delivers an impressive 150 scrubs per minute, which made quick work of sticky messes and dirt that had been lingering on my tile floors. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the pro side, the Shark Steam and Scrub is incredibly effective on all sealed hard floors, including hardwood and stone. The 4 included Dirt Grip soft scrub pads are machine washable, which is a big win in terms of sustainability and long-term cost. Plus, the XL water tank means fewer interruptions during cleaning sessions. However, it does have a few drawbacks. The price point of $124.99 might be a bit steep for some. Also, while the steam control feature is fantastic, it requires a little practice to find the right setting for various surfaces. So why should you consider the Shark Steam and Scrub? If you're serious about keeping your floor spotless and want a machine that combines scrubbing and sanitizing in one device, this mop is an excellent investment. It not only cleans, but also sanitizes, which is particularly beneficial in households with kids or pets. I found it to be an essential tool in my cleaning arsenal, and I believe it could be for you too.
Product number 2. Shark Steam Mop S1000. Next up is the Shark Steam Mop S1000, a product I was genuinely excited to test. This model is known for its lightweight design, weighing in at under 5 pounds, making it incredibly easy to carry from room to room. One of the standout features is the removable water tank, which allows for easy fills and refills without having to stop cleaning. I found this feature particularly useful during lengthy cleaning sessions, as it saved me time and hassle. The steam heats up in just 30 seconds, which means you can start cleaning almost immediately, a huge plus for those of us who are always on a tight schedule. In terms of performance, this steam mop is a game changer. It uses chemical-free steam to sanitize surfaces, which is something I'm passionate about. I've always been wary of chemical cleaners, especially around my pets. The Dirt Grip pads are machine washable, and they really do a fantastic job of absorbing dirt while providing extra scrubbing power. However, there are a couple of cons worth mentioning. While the S1000 is versatile enough for various hard floors, it doesn't come with a lot of attachments, so if you're looking for a multi-purpose cleaner, this might not be the best option for you. Why buy the Shark Steam Mop S1000? If you're looking for an affordable yet effective solution for sealed hard floors, this mop is a solid choice. It's lightweight, easy to use, and chemical-free, which checks all the boxes for a cleaning tool that fits into a busy lifestyle. I found it to be reliable, and I think you'd appreciate its efficiency too.
Product number 3. MR Sega Heavy Duty Grout Scrub Brush. Now let's talk about the MR Sega Heavy Duty Grout Scrub Brush, a product that may seem simple but packs a punch. This isn't your average scrub brush. It features a durable steel handle that's extendable up to 50 inches, making it easy to reach those stubborn grout lines without breaking your back. The V-shaped stiff bristles are designed to tackle tough stains, and I can attest that they do just that. I took this scrub brush to my bathroom, where the grout had seen better days, and I was shocked at how quickly it removed years of grime. The angled bristles made it easy to get into the corners and gaps that typically collect dirt. As for the pros, the brush's build quality is top-notch. It feels sturdy in hand, and the foam-wrapped handle ensures a comfortable grip, even when applying a bit of elbow grease. The versatility is another plus. I used it on bathroom tiles, kitchen grout, and even the garage floor, and it performed admirably across the board. However, there are a couple of cons to consider. While it excels at scrubbing, it requires a bit more physical effort compared to powered machines, which might not be ideal for everyone. So why should you buy the Siga Heavy Duty Grout Scrub Brush? If you're looking for a reliable, durable tool to tackle stubborn grout and tile stains, this brush is an excellent choice. It's affordable and highly effective, making it a must-have for any serious cleaner. I've added it to my cleaning toolkit, and I think you'll find it invaluable as well.
Product number 4. McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner. Next on the list is the McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner, a powerhouse that took my cleaning game to the next level. Initially, I was struck by its versatility. This machine comes with 23 accessories, and I couldn't wait to try them all out. From mopping to detailing my car, this steam cleaner does it all. The large 64-ounce water tank heats up in under 12 minutes and provides up to 120 minutes of steam, which is a dream for anyone who hates frequent refills. The chemical-free cleaning aspect is a significant selling point for me. I used it on my tile floors, kitchen countertops, and even on my upholstery, and it tackled grease and grime effortlessly. The adjustable steam control is fantastic, as it allows me to customize the steam output based on the surface I'm cleaning. However, there are some downsides. The initial setup can be a bit overwhelming due to the number of accessories, and it's corded, which limits mobility compared to cordless options. Why should you consider the McCulloch MC1385? If you want an all-in-one solution that offers deep cleaning without chemicals, this steam cleaner is worth the investment. The extensive range of accessories means you can tackle a variety of cleaning tasks with ease. I found it to be incredibly effective and versatile, and I believe it could be a game changer for your cleaning routine.
Product number 5. Bissell SpinWave Hard Floor Expert. Finally, let's discuss the Bissell SpinWave Hard Floor Expert. This isn't just any mop. It incorporates a spin cleaning mechanism that does the scrubbing for you. When I first used it, I was amazed by how effortlessly it removed tough messes without any manual scrubbing. The machine-powered scrubbing pads are a game changer, and they lifted sticky spills and dried stains like magic. One of the standout features is the on-demand targeted spray. You can dispense Bissell's cleaning formula exactly where needed, which minimizes waste and maximizes efficiency. The lightweight design and easy glide swivel head make it simple to clean under furniture, and the fact that it's safe for all sealed floors is a big plus. However, it does come with its own set of cons. The spin feature is powerful, but it can be a bit noisy, which might be an issue if you're cleaning during quiet hours. Additionally, the machine is corded, so you'll need to work within the limits of your outlet placements. So why choose the Bissell SpinWave? If you're looking for a deep cleaning solution that takes the hard work out of scrubbing, this is your best bet. The convenience of the spin mop combined with the ability to use it on various hard surfaces makes it an excellent addition to your cleaning arsenal. I've found it to be efficient and effective, and I believe it could make your cleaning routine a lot more enjoyable.